Hi everyone. In this video module, we will see what are the various styling and formatting options available in Google Data Studio. We will take the example of table and see what are the various styling and formatting options available for the table. This will mostly be the same for many other charts as well. Okay. So let us insert a table here by going to add a chart, and there are different tables like a simple table, table with bars, table with heat map. Let's see what are these in the next few minutes. But as of now, I'll insert a simple table and I'll just drop it here. Okay. By default, I have the order ID as one column and record count as another one. So I will consider my subcategories to be one of the dimensions. Okay. Let's search for subcategories. Subcategories here. Okay, subcategory is mentioned and record count. Instead of record count, I will have my total sales. Okay, total sales here. So here we can see storage is a subcategory which has a sales of more than 4 lakhs. Phones has a sales of more than 3 lakhs. And by this way, different subcategories and the corresponding scales sales are mentioned here. Okay. Now, we will see what are the various styling and formatting options available. For that, what we should do, we should select the table. If we are selecting outside the table, it won't be available. Just click on the table and it will show the styling options. Okay, I'm just going to click the styling options, and in that, there are different options available. Okay, first, I'm going to focus on the conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? If the table, if a row in the table meets a certain criteria, then I should have this particular color. These kind of rules which we are telling Google Data Studio to apply when a particular condition is met is called as conditional formatting. Okay, how to do that? I'll just click add, and Google Data Studio is going to give me the following options. First option, color type, whether it's going to be a single color or color scale. As of now, we'll keep it as a single color, and then it's asking the format rules. Okay, what should be the rules? Okay, let's drag this up a little bit. Format rules. So select a field. In this field, if I want to select the sales, I'll just select the sales. And condition, what should be my condition? My condition should be that if I want my condition to be, my sale should be greater than how much? 1 lakh. Okay, I'll just have 2 lakhs. 200. Okay. If my sale is greater than 2 lakh, then this condition will apply. Okay. Before that, what is or and? Or, for example, if I have a condition like sales greater than 2 lakhs and sales or sales greater than 2 lakh 50,000. When I'm using this or option, then any one of the criteria, when it is satisfied, then the rule becomes applicable, then the color becomes applied. Whereas if I'm using the option as and, when both the rules are satisfied only, then the color, then the order will be executed. So this is how or and can be utilized. Okay. So my sales, when it is more than 2 lakhs, then what should happen? My entire row should have this color. Okay. So in this also we have options, whether the subcategory box alone should have color applied or the sales box alone should have the color applied. Let me have it as the entire row. I want my text color to be white and my fill color to be blue. Okay, so this is how my text, my row in the table will look like when the sales is greater than 2 lakhs. Okay, let me apply and let's see what happens. I'm saving it. See, everything has changed. See, like this first 8 subcategories have sales more than 2 lakhs, and the color of the font and the box color has changed. Okay, so this is conditional formatting. We will see another option which is available. See, we'll just go here, we will delete this, we will add a rule where instead of single color we will have it as a color scale. So I'm clicking on color scale, again based on sales, uh, there is a different colors available. Okay, if my sale is very low, then it will be in red color. Okay, if my sale is high, if it is more the number of sales, more the amount, then it will be in green color. Okay, I can choose I can choose different color scales also, like this one or this one. Okay, as of now, let it have it as a default. If we want, we can reverse also. This means that higher the sales, it will be in red color, lower the sales, it will be in green color. Okay, let it have in the original position itself. And at what percentage this color change should happen? At 0%, it should be completely red. At 50%, it should be completely completely yellow, and and at 100% it should be completely green. Okay, so these are the prefixed percentage points. We can change also if we need. For example, instead of percentage, we can have a number also. If my sales is 50,000, okay, then I will have it as red. If my sales is 2 lakh, then this one. Okay, so we will give sale. Now what happened? See, uh, when my sales is less than 50,000, as extent, see, when my sale is less than 50,000, it is coming as red, and gradually it keeps on changing the color, and when it crosses 1 lakh, it becomes green. Okay, so this is the color scale and conditional formatting accordingly. Okay, now let us remove this, delete this rule. What are the next options? Table header. Okay, so this is a table, this is a header, subcategory and sales. Should we have this displayed? That we can choose by checking or unchecking. Now I will uncheck this, so the display of the heading goes off. Let's bring it again. Wrap text. For example, if I'm just adjusting the width and clicking wrap text, instead of overflowing or just going away from our side, it comes to the next line. It comes to the next line. This is just the same wrap text option available in our Excel sheets as well. It's more close to each other. Okay, I'll undo it. I'll bring this back. Sorry. Okay, and in the table header, I can choose the header color. I have it as green. What is the size? I want it to be 28. What is the style? I want in this style. So all kind of styling options we can do. Okay, and then table colors. If I what should be the color of my header? If I want it to be red, then I can choose what should be the cell border color. If I want it to be orange, I can do that. What should be the odd row color? If my odd row color should be blue and my even row color should be orange, every kind of styling and formatting can be done, and this essentially remains the same for almost all kinds of representations. Okay, what are these table labels? Okay, how should be my table labels be? If I want it to be red, then all becomes red, and these kind of stylings can be done. Okay, we'll reverse it for now. Table body. Okay, row numbers. Should I want these row numbers to be visible or not? If I'm just unchecking it, it will go off. Do I again want to wrap this? Do I want horizontal scrolling? All this can be set up. Okay, and then table footer. See here, I'll just make it a minute. Okay, yeah, table footer. Whether this 1 by 18 should be there or not. If I uncheck this, it will go off. If I check it, it will again come, and I can again edit the way it is being displayed. Okay, and missing data. When I have some missing data, whether it should be shown as 0 or null or no data, those can be determined by us. If I wanted to click or show it as no data, then when the data is missing, it will be shown as no data. Okay, and then column, like the subcategory is there, and all the text here are aligned to left. If I want it to be aligned to the center, I can click align to right, I can do it. And metrics also similarly, if I want it to be aligned to the left, I can do it. Align to the center, I can do it. All this can be done. Okay, we'll just reverse those. And then what is the next thing available? Matrix, whether it is a number or heat map or whether it is a bar. Okay, number, what we are seeing is the number option for matrix. Heat map, if I'm clicking heat map, then it will show in the form of heat map. Like highest value will be dark blue, lowest value will be light blue, and eventually to white. What color should be displayed, even that can be determined by us. Okay, and then compact number, and our next thing is the bar. Okay, instead of numbers, if I want my data to be displayed in forms of bars, even that can be done. Okay, so I'll just reverse it for now. Compact numbers, when I click this, instead of 4 lakh 19,920 11,920, this will be simply displayed as 411.9k. Okay, so this will help our visualization to be much more cleaner. Okay, and then decimal precision we can set according to our convenience. Let's keep it as auto for now. Background and borders, if my background wants to be blue, I can do it, and opacity I can change. So all these kind of things I can do. Okay, so let me reverse it for now, and then chart header. So see, there are 3 points available here. This will give the different options. Okay, especially when we go to the end users view, this will give sort by sales or subcategory, export, diagnose query performance. So these kind of options are available, and this is the option button. See now, when I'm just moving my mouse away, it is not showing, but when I'm hovering over it, the option button displays. Okay, so if I want it to be present throughout, okay, then what I can do, I can just simply go here and show always show. Okay, if I never want it to be present, then do not show. Okay, so these are the various styling and formatting options available in Google Data Studio. If we are aware of these options, then the same can be applied to different forms of visualization. That's all for this video module. We'll catch up in the next video module. Thank you.